Hello everyone, welcome to the Shobha Institute for Mathematics. This channel is specially created for students who want to learn mathematics in a simple, easy, and interesting way. Here we explain every concept step by step with clear examples so that maths become your favorite subject. If you want to improve your basics and score better in exams, then this channel is perfect for you. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today's topic is factors and multiples. Have you ever wondered which numbers divide another number exactly, or how numbers are related to each other? That's where factors and multiples come in. Factors are numbers that divide a given number exactly. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 3, 4, 6 and 12 itself. 12 itself is also factors of 12. Multiples are numbers we get by multiplying a number. Example, multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. In this video, we will learn what are factors, what are multiples, easy tricks to find them, practice examples. So let's get started and make math easy and fun. Factors and multiples. What are factors? घटक म्हणजे काय? A factor of a number is a number that divides it exactly, no remainder. घटक म्हणजे अशी संख्या जी दुसऱ्या संख्येला शून्य बाकी ठेवून भागते. Factors of 6. How many factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6 itself. Factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 itself. Key idea. Factors are always less than or equal to the number. Factors are always less than or equal to the number. Take an example of 6. 2, 3, 6. 1, 1 always factor असणार. प्रत्येक संख्येला 1 हा फॅक्टर नेहमीच असतो. 1 is less than 6, 2 is less than 6, 3 is less than 6 and 6 also factors of 6, factor of 6. What are multiples? पटी म्हणजे काय? Multiples are the results of multiplying a number by 1, 2, 3, 4. पटी म्हणजे एखाद्या संख्येची 1, 2, 3 ने केलेली गुणाकाराची उत्तरे. एक्झाम्पल, मल्टिपल्स ऑफ 5. 5च्या पटीमध्ये येणारे संख्या सांगा. डू यू नो टेबल्स? तुम्हाला टेबल्स माहीत असतील. 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10, 5 3 जा 15, 5 4 जा 20. 5च्या पटीमध्ये येणाऱ्या संख्या त्याला आपण मल्टिपल्स असे म्हणतो. त्याला मल्टिपल्स असे म्हणतात. Multiples are the results of multiplying a number by 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiples of 3. 3 1 जा 3, 3 क्रॉस 1. डेफिनेशनमध्ये काय म्हणलं आहे? 3 क्रॉस 1 इज इक्वल टू 3, 3 क्रॉस 2 इज इक्वल टू 6. आपण जेव्हा त्या संख्येला 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यावर समोर त्याचं जे उत्तर येईल ते त्याचे मल्टिपल्स असतील. मल्टिपल्स आर इन्फानाइट. डिफरन्स बिटवीन फॅक्टर्स अँड मल्टिपल्स. फॅक्टर्सला मराठीमध्ये घटक असे म्हणतात. मल्टिपल्सला मराठीमध्ये पटी असे म्हणतात. फॅक्टर्स मर्यादित, फायनाईट. मल्टिपल्स इन्फानाइट, अमर्यादित. आत्ताच आपण बघितलोय. फॅक्टर्स ऑफ 12, finite, but multiples of 12 are infinite. 12चे फॅक्टर्स घटक कोणते कोणते असतील? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 itself. हे मर्यादित आहेत आणि multiples of 12 are infinite. Divide exactly, no remainder. Multiply. Smaller or equal, greater or equal. Prime numbers, मूळ संख्या. A number with only 2 factors. Prime number म्हणजे काय? A number with only 2 factors, 1 and itself. Examples 2, 3, 5, 7, 1. ज्या संख्येला फक्त 2 घटक असतात. Composite numbers, संयुक्त संख्या. Numbers with more than 2 factors. Example 4, 6, 8, 9. More than 2 factors. Even and odd numbers. Even सम संख्या divisible by 2, 4, 6. Odd विषम संख्या not divisible by 2, 1, 3, 5. Highest common factor, महत्तम सामान्य विभाजक, meaning the largest common factor of 2 or more numbers. Highest common factor of 12 and 18 is 6. HCF. Least common multiple, LCM, लघुत्तम सामान्य पटी. The smallest common multiple, LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Real life use. Dividing atoms equally, factors, time scheduling, LCM, grouping, HCF. Thank you for watching. That's all for today's video. On factors and multiples. I hope you understood the concept clearly and enjoyed learning. मला आशा आहे की तुम्हाला हा टॉपिक छान समजला असेल. Don't forget to like, share with your friends and subscribe to the Shobha Institute for Maths. तुमच्या सपोर्टमुळे आम्ही अजून चांगले व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ शकतो. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment sections. तुमचे क्वेश्चन्स नक्की कमेंट करा, मी रिप्लाय देईन. Keep learning, keep practicing and remember, maths is easy when you understand it. See you in the next video.